So today I have put in this window by Lippert, and I would like to make some very obvious disclaimers. It does tell you that you're supposed to use two people to put it together, and you'll see that I am stubborn. But I have done this by myself, so if you are trying to do it by yourself, you could watch this and have hints. I do highly recommend watching a couple of the videos that other people have made doing it. The video by Lippert is very helpful. A lot of people use painter's tape, and I definitely recommend using some type of tape to help. I did get this off of the used section in Amazon, so if you go in there and you can find one that's been returned. I don't know if it comes like this when you buy it, but the pins were already latched together, which made it a little frustrating to get it apart, and I was trying to be really gentle with it, and I think that made it worse. Can't get it out. I was being too gentle. Set it in at a 45-degree angle and then tuck it in. Watch a video first and make sure that you go through the box, because these things should have been using instead of this.